Why should I use BONOSS hub-centric wheel spacers?
Installing Subaru wheel spacer is an ordinary option that most people will do. For most Subaru wheel spacer size, 15mm to 25mm is perfect to achieve a nice flush look. Hub-centric wheel spacers can create a firm and stable wheel connection. It is this compact point that bears the weight of the vehicle. The wheel lugs are designed to secure the wheels with a clamping force when the vehicle is cornering. They are not strong enough to support the weight and loads generated through the wheel. You will eventually need wheel spacers with integrated hub-centric rings to ensure safety. To further optimize the hub-centric connection, BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric lips. They are designed to fit the actual vehicle hub shapes. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers fit the corresponding hub flat, which eliminates any possible gaps. Such BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric wheel spacers will not change the original wheel fasten method. The wheels are wheel balanced so that there will be less chance of vibration.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.